Hi and welcome to the complete Facebook marketing and ads masterclass. My name is Robin and I've been successfully teaching digital marketing to hundreds of thousands of students, just like Daniel, who says this is the best course out there. Practical examples with templates that I was able to use to make my $1,000 a day sale. Together with my dear friend Jesper, we make the two-man team called Robin and Jesper.
And together we've spent the last couple of years working non-stop to produce and to update the most complete course on Facebook marketing and advertising that we're now so happy to introduce to you. Now this course includes over 9 hours of video content taught in a step-by-step style, including templates, exercises, assignments, and so much more.
It's designed to take you from a complete beginner with little or no marketing experience to a Facebook marketing and ads professional, fully equipped with strategies to get leads, sales, and a job as a professional marketer. You will learn how to spend 75% less time on your Facebook ads, but triple your results by properly using Facebook's algorithm that has trillions of data points on billions of people by using dynamic creative testing. You will learn what data columns to look for to find profitable ads, how to scale them, and how to automatically test them against new ads to find even more profitable ads and continue scaling. You will also get 10 different ad creative strategies with examples such as the them versus us strategy, testimonial strategy, features point out strategy, 3 reasons why strategy, etc. that you can start implementing right away. And you will even get in-depth knowledge on organic Facebook marketing, where you will learn how to build a community of high-quality leads, 10 posting strategies to increase engagement, and 6 strategies specifically designed to reach even more people.
Now this is the only course that you need to become a professional Facebook marketer, and we got thousands of happy students with the results to prove it. Now just take a look at Lorraine, for example, who says, I've taken a few Facebook ads courses on Udemy, but this was far the best. Robin takes the time to explain each and every aspect of creating and optimizing Facebook ads so thoroughly. Or Nechama, who says, this course is giving everything. Everything is clearly explained and to the point step by step. If you want to know how to make good and profitable Facebook ads for your business, you should take this course.
This course is 100% beginner friendly. You don't need any experience with marketing on Facebook to get started. We'll teach you everything you need to know, step by step, from a complete beginner all the way to becoming a professional. So instead of spending thousands of dollars on smaller and more expensive Facebook courses, or taking in-person training or expensive degrees where you will have to take time off of work, with this course you get instant access to over 9 hours of video material that has years of collected knowledge behind it and thousands of happy students to prove it.
But that's not all. When you enroll in this course, you'll get all future updates included for free, so you'll always stay on top professionally with the latest updates. Or like Sanye says, this is the most practical course over here, and the best thing is that they are regularly updates the content, unlike other courses where they still have 2015's content which is completely outdated. Apart from that, Robin and Jesper are very proactive if you ask any questions or having any doubts. I have asked many times about my queries and they always answers the best solutions. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to be the master of Facebook ads. It will give you everything that you want to learn, and the best thing is that they share amazing strategies. Great work, guys. And remember that you have a 30-day money-back guarantee and you'll get premium support on all your questions within 24 hours, Mondays through Fridays. So if you are ready to get your business or someone else's business to the next level with Facebook marketing, we'll see you inside the course.